Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. This is your host, Prance, CEO here at Gen Z Marketing. So, welcome to part 5 of the Art of SEO series. Today, we'll be comparing search engine optimization to traditional marketing. Cool. Let's get into it. What is SEO? Basically, we made a lot of videos about what SEO is. It's our bread and butter here at Gen Z. But it's pretty much the organic listings when you make a Google search. So, like, we searched up SEO Winnipeg here. These are the ads. SEO, or the process of ranking websites higher up. So like Gen Z, we're number 2 here, right? Using SEO. So what is traditional marketing? Traditional marketing techniques promote products, services to large untargeted audiences, right? In hopes that someone will buy that what's shown. So say you get an ad for McDonald's, right? You're just on the bus. Maybe you don't need McDonald's, you don't want McDonald's, but you're getting an ad for McDonald's, right? Or you see an ad on TV for like the Super Bowl ads. That's pretty much an example of traditional marketing. So it's like shooting in the dark, hoping that someone will buy. Examples of traditional marketing or interruptive marketing, some people call in the industry. TV ads, billboards, print ads, bus ads, the list kind of just goes on. The industry average for traditional marketing, for example, 60-second clips on the radio will cost your company from $200 to $1,000. Magazines can charge anywhere from 50 to 120 per 1,000 copies, and direct mail can cost $15 to $40 for 1,000 mailers. Okay, so the argument: traditional marketing is very passive, meaning that you're running the ads in the background, hoping that you can find your ideal customer. SEO is a polar opposite, like I mentioned in the last video, comparing SEO and social media marketing. SEO supplies the demand, meaning that potential clients and customers are on the search engines looking for your service. So they're on Google looking for lawyers in London, Ontario, or lawyers in Toronto, landscapers in Vancouver, right? The list just goes on. They're looking for your service. So no needle in the haystack bullshit. You're supplying a pre-existing demand, and your main job is to prove why you're better than your competitors. You're not worried about selling your service or product. You're concerned that you're better than John Doe down the street, right? You have the best service in town. Look at these handsome guys. Look so happy there. Traditional marketing, much like any other ad-based marketing style, focuses on creating a demand. But in this case, you don't have nearly the same amount of data to work off as say Google AdWords or social media marketing, right? Speaking of which, comment down below if you want us to compare Google AdWords to social media marketing, or let's say social media marketing to traditional marketing. Just give us some ideas. We'll make the videos. It's coronavirus season, so we have a lot of time to make content right now. So what's the verdict? Oh, speaking of coronavirus, hope all you guys are safe, right? I'm kind of under the weather right now, as you can tell, a little nasally here. But let's get back into it. What's the verdict? SEO crushes traditional marketing in every criteria: ROI, value creation, revenue, you name it, right? Traditional marketing is a shitty Walmart version of social media marketing. That's just our opinion here at Gen Z, and I think if you ask any marketer, that's probably their opinion too. There's a reason why traditional marketing is a dying industry and digital marketing is taking over, right? So if you find yourself buying billboard ads or buying bus ads using traditional marketing techniques that probably aren't as effective as just digital marketing, and you want to make a transition towards the future, get in touch with us so we can help you get ahead of your competition. All right? So ladies and gentlemen, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, learned something, and want more content. Comment below if you have questions or just want to say hi. Baba and I or someone else from the team will make sure you get your answers, okay? Finally, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss our next videos. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.